Are you looking for the best dash cams? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Rover 2-4K Dual Dash Cam. The Rover 2-4K Dual Dash Cam is a feature-rich front and rear dash camera system designed for cars, SUVs, trucks, and more. The front camera records in 4K at 30 frames per second while the rear captures 1080p at 30 frames per second, offering wide-angle coverage of 150 degrees and 140 degrees respectively, ensuring clear footage of both the road ahead and behind. It features a Sony Starvis 2 sensor with super night vision, allowing improved low-light performance, and f1.5/f1.8 apertures for brighter, clearer recordings. The dash cam includes built-in GPS for location and speed stamping, 5G Wi-Fi for fast video downloads up to 20 megabytes per second via the Rove app, and OTA firmware updates. It comes with a 3-inch IPS screen, supercapacitor for higher heat and cold tolerance, voice guidance, motion and collision detection, loop recording, emergency video lock, and supports up to 1 TB microSD cards, with a free 128 GB card included. Its 24-hour custom-designed parking mode provides time-lapse recording, motion detection, and collision detection, requires optional hardware kit, making it ideal for both active driving and parked vehicle monitoring. The package includes all necessary cables, mounts, and accessories for installation. While the front camera delivers sharp daytime footage, nighttime and rear camera quality can be limited, but overall it provides strong value for a dual-channel 4K dash cam system. Number 2. S650 Dash Cam Front and Rear. The S650 Dash Cam Front and Rear is a dual-channel dash camera system that records the front in 2K, 2560x1440p, at 60 frames per second and the rear in Full HD, 1920x1080p, at 30 frames per second, offering clear and detailed footage of both road directions. It features HDR for improved contrast in bright and shadowed scenes, built-in GPS for route logging, and Wi-Fi for wireless video access and easy file sharing. The dash cam includes advanced driver assistance system, ADAS, alerts such as lane departure warnings, voice control for hands-free operation, and a supercapacitor designed for greater durability in high heat or cold conditions compared to standard lithium batteries. Its 24-hour parking surveillance mode, when hardwired, uses motion detection and G-sensor collision detection to capture events while the vehicle is parked. Overall, the S650 combines high-resolution recording, dual camera coverage, and advanced safety features, making it suitable for drivers who want reliable monitoring both on the road and while parked. Number 3. Redtiger Dash Cam Front Rear. The Redtiger F7NP is a dual-channel dash cam system that offers a 4K, 3840x2160, front camera plus a 1080p rear camera setup with a 170 degrees wide-angle front lens and 140 degrees rear lens, making it well-suited to capture both the road ahead and behind your vehicle. It comes bundled with features such as built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, so you can view speed, location and route data alongside the video, a 3.16 IPS screen for onboard viewing, advanced night vision support through a large f1.5 aperture plus WDR/HDR processing, a supercapacitor power module, more robust in heat compared to standard lithium battery units, and a 24-hour parking surveillance mode, though this typically requires a separate hardwire kit. Users report strong video clarity in day and decent performance at night, while some note that the rear camera quality and the app's Wi-Fi download speeds are modest. Number 4. Vantro N4 3-channel Dash Cam. The Vantro N4 3-channel Dash Cam is a triple camera system designed to monitor the front, interior, and rear of a vehicle simultaneously. It records the front in 4K, 2160p, and the rear in 1080p when used in dual-channel mode, while in full 3-channel mode the front and interior cameras record at 1440p and the rear at 1080p, providing comprehensive coverage for both driving and rideshare applications. The N4 features a high-performance Starvis CMOS sensor with f1.4/f1.8 lenses, IR night vision for the cabin, a supercapacitor for durability in extreme temperatures, and a 24-hour parking mode that uses motion and collision detection, requires hardwire kit. Built-in GPS allows recording of location, speed, and route data, while the G-sensor locks footage during sudden impacts and loop recording ensures continuous capture. The dash cam supports up to 512 GB memory cards, comes with installation accessories, and offers an 18-month warranty. It is ideal for drivers seeking extensive coverage and reliable accident documentation, though full 4K recording is limited to dual-channel mode and installation may require extra effort due to its size and wiring requirements. Number 5. Redtiger F9 Dash Cam. The Redtiger F9 is a dual-channel dash camera that records in 4K, 3840 by 2160, on the front and Full HD, 1920 by 1080, on the rear, with a wide 170 degrees front angle lens and an f/1.5 aperture for improved low-light performance. It features built-in Wi-Fi, for smartphone app control and video download, GPS, for speed/location stamping, loop recording, to automatically overwrite older footage, and a G-sensor that locks video in an event. It comes with a 32 GB microSD card, supports up to 256 GB storage, and includes a supercapacitor for durability in high or low temperatures. The unit also offers a parking monitor mode, when connected via a hardwire kit, for round-the-clock surveillance. According to reviews, it delivers very good daytime video clarity and its night vision/HDR features are solid, though the app/Wi-Fi functionality and some mount/wiring details may require extra care and setup.